The weekly code quiz. We are reviewing how to handle special text cases. What element do you use to add superscript text? Example, x squared. The superscript element, SUP. What element do you use to add subscript text? Example, H2O. The subscript element, SUB. Pre-HTML5, what element would you use for an acronym? Example, MoMA for Museum of Modern Art. The acronym element. We use the title attribute to put the full phrase that is being truncated by the acronym. With HTML5, what element is now used for both acronyms and abbreviations? The abbreviation element, ABBR. And again, we use the title attribute for the full phrase. What elements are used to add a quotation? The blockquote element is used for longer quotations. The Q element is used for shorter inline quotes. What is used to include a citation? The cite attribute or the cite element. The cite attribute is often used to include the source information, while the cite element can let the reader know who is being quoted. Here is an example. It would display as, simplicity is about subtracting the obvious and adding the meaningful. John Maida, The Laws of Simplicity, Design, Technology, Business, Life. There are elements used to indicate content changes on a web page. What element do we use to indicate the content has been inserted? The insert element, INS. Inserted content will appear underlined. What element do we use to indicate the content has been deleted? The delete element, DEL. Deleted content will appear with a strikethrough. What element do we use to indicate that content is no longer accurate or relevant? The S element. Content that is no longer accurate or relevant will appear with a strikethrough. Presented by Designers Learn Code.